Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use PPTO to leave early at Walmart. In order to do so, here we are at gta-portal.com. And to find the answer that we're looking for, we're going to go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI whenever you need to, and you get access to some of the top AI models available. According to Cider, first off, you're going to want to check Walmart's PTO policy, review your employee handbook or HR portal to understand how PPTO works, including accrual rates and approval processes. Request in advance, notify your supervisor or manager as early as possible, specifying that you'd like to use PPTO to leave early on a specific date. Use the correct procedure. Some stores may have an online system like Kronos or Workforce Management to request time off, or you might need to fill out a paper form. Specify the exact hours you need to leave early, making sure it aligns with your PPTO balance, and get approval from your manager before leaving early. They may deny or approve based on staffing needs. Ensure record accuracy. Confirm with HR or your supervisor that the PPTO has been correctly applied. For the most accurate information, check Walmart's internal HR resources or speak directly with your manager or HR representative, as procedures can vary by location. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.